Praise the Lord. Today, let us learn some precious verses from the book Proverbs. From the book of Proverbs. These Proverbs were written by King Solomon. Now let us listen. First one is from Proverbs chapter 1 and verse 7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and instruction. Let us see it in Telugu. యెహోవాయందు భయభక్తులు కలిగి ఉండుట తెలివికి మూలము. మూర్ఖులు జ్ఞానమును ఉపదేశమును తిరస్కరించుదురు.